Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a space background with stars in Nebula in Blender. So without any further ado, let's start. So I will switch to the shading workspace and then change from object to word. Now I press Shift A and add a color ramp. Now I press Shift A and add a noise texture. Connect it to the color ramp and then the color ramp to the background. Now move this here and increase the scale of the noise texture to 70. Alright, now bring in a mix shader and I'll place it here. Add animation shader. I will connect it to the mix shader and I will connect the color ramp to the factor of the mix shader. Alright, I will set the strength of this background to 0. Now let's go to the compositing workspace, then click on new, press Shift A and add a glare node. Place it here and change it from strict to bloom. Now let's go to the shading workspace, which you see. Oh, let's increase the emission shader, the strength of the emission shader. Okay, now our stars are glowing. Alright, if yours are not glowing, then you should go to here and change it from disable to always. Okay, now let's continue. Let's move this here, select the mix shader and then we duplicate it and place it now adding another noise texture and I'll connect the color to the shader. Okay, and then press Shift again and add a color ramp. And I'll connect it to the factor of the mix shader and then connect the factor of the noise texture to the color ramp. Okay, now I'll move this here. Okay, and then press Shift A and add a brightness and contrast node and place it here. Now decrease the brightness to 0.03 and then increase the contrast a bit. Okay, now let's duplicate the mix shader once more and place it here. Okay, let's duplicate this color ramp, then we connect it to the mix shader and we add another noise texture and connect it to the color ramp, and we will change the color of the color ramp to maybe red or any color you want. So I'll set mine to blue. All right, actually let me decrease this one and see. This cool. And there you have it, your space background texture in Blender. Okay, let me um, move this a bit and then increase the scale. Okay, and also increase the strength of the emission shader. Cool, and we are done. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or share. See you in the next one. Peace out.